I'm gonna do a velocity and accuracy test with these PPU, or Prvi partisan, I think it's pronounced. 196 grain soft points for the 8mm Mauser with two different rifles, and see what kind of velocity I get out of them and how accurate I can be at 100 yards. First up, we'll test the velocity and accuracy out of my 1917 Car 98A, and then we'll try my newer and in much better condition Yugo M2447. Alright, let's try the Car 98A. This isn't any kind of statement of how accurate these rounds are. It's more of just how accurate I can be with them with these particular firearms. Although the velocity does state something about its ammunition, my accuracy level isn't really a measurement of its ammunition's accuracy potential. But anyways, let's see what I can do. I'm just going to aim directly for the red circle. Our first shot registered at 20.52. And number two, 20.45. And number three came in at 20.46. And we didn't get any hits on our paper, but we did get some hits on the wood right here. I believe the one on the top was already there from a different PPU test, but these other two are new. So just like every other time I test this rifle, we're hitting really low and really left. But those two are actually really close together. That's probably just about an inch apart. But the other one, I'm not too sure where it went. Probably went over this way somewhere. And here's actually a jacket and a chunk of lead from one of those rounds I just shot. But we know two of them for sure hit right here and right here, which is only about an inch apart. But that's really low. That's probably about 12 to 15 inches low down there, and about 8 to 10 inches to the left. But now let's try the Yugo and see what I can do with that. Alright, now let's try the Yugo Mauser. And in case anybody was wondering, it's probably about 85 degrees Fahrenheit out today. Shot number one came in at 21.94. Number two came in at 22.28. And that third shot came in at 2,200 even. Let's go check the accuracy. And we actually got hits on the paper this time. The group's not quite as tight as I would like it to be, but at least we actually hit the paper. And obviously this was with iron sights from 100 yards, so I'm sure a scope could have improved the group slightly. So these two right here are about 1.8 inches apart, and these two that are the furthest apart are roughly 4 inches. So we had about 2 inches from top to bottom and 4 inches from side to side, incorporating this one. Once again, this is not at all a statement of how accurate these rounds are, just how accurate I was with them at this time. But we did get much better velocity than I expected, quite a bit higher than my previous test, especially with the Yugo Mauser. But anyways, that's all for this video. As always, thanks for watching.